Hey guys, my name is Zach, and today on Fitness Fabrication, we're going to go over the calories that I eat to lose weight and gain muscle. Alright, so as I get started with breakfast, this is a 1,053 calorie meal, 8 pieces of French toast, comes out to 2.4 pounds of food. The reason my breakfast is so large is remember that if you're moving around, you are burning calories. If you eat a larger meal right before resting, your body will not effectively burn those calories as fast as it could if you consumed the same amount of calories in the morning. To further support this statement, according to new research, a big breakfast rather than a large dinner may prevent obesity and high blood sugar. The study showed that a meal eaten for breakfast, regardless of the amount of calories it contains, creates twice as high diet-induced thermogenesis as the same meal consumed for dinner. By conducting a 3-day laboratory study of 16 men who consumed a low-calorie breakfast and a high-calorie dinner, and vice versa in a second round, they found identical calorie consumption led to 2.5 times higher DIT in the morning than in the evening after high-calorie and low-calorie meals. So that, guys, is why I eat a higher-calorie breakfast as opposed to a higher-calorie dinner. Dinner will be much lower in the 300 calorie range today. Alright guys, so now that breakfast is over with, we're going to bring you into a little bonus. I'm going to make the apple goop. So let's go through a time lapse of me making apple goop. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed making that apple goop. It was very fun for me as it was for you to watch, I'm sure. So this meal rings in at 667 calories, a pound, 3.8 ounces. So it's a medium-sized meal. I like it because it's on the go. It's pasta, you know. So if you're going to work or something like that, you can just throw it in a to-go dish. No problem. Throw the strawberries in a Ziploc bag and you're good to go. Like I said, it's one of the smaller meals that I eat. Under normal circumstances, there would be potatoes or something like that that would really fill me up. But this meal does a pretty good job just because of the veggies and the chicken and everything else. So I would like to mention, guys, that these meals are much larger than the meals that I ate in Reese's video right up here. And also I wanted to mention that the sauces that I used, the teriyaki sauce for this kind of Chinese lo mein, I talked about in this video right up here. So go ahead and click on those. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Like, comment, get it done. I'll see you at meal 3. Alright guys, welcome back. We have a burrito, a taco burrito, apple goop, strawberries. This whole meal is 2 pounds, 4.8 ounces. So one of the larger low calorie meals that I have. We are gonna eat and then take creatine and pre-workout and then go to the workout. So it should be good. Let's get started. So now we are ready for the workout. The wood stove is started. It's somewhat warm in here. Hopefully it's gonna be a lot warmer in a little bit. Then we have a little bit of cardio to do. Gonna hit legs hard today. Gonna hit legs hard today, hit biceps, squats, deadlifts, all sorts of fun stuff. So, should be good. Should be a pretty long workout, but you guys only have to deal with a little bit. Do cardio, eat the last meal, and then we're done. All right guys, welcome back. This is the last meal of the day. It's a 296 calorie meal and it weighs in at 1 pound, 3 ounces. Now, generally, as you know, with the big breakfast, you're probably gonna wanna eat a smaller dinner. That way, you don't end up sitting with a bunch of food in your stomach that your body can't digest. As you're awake, you're gonna be burning calories as we talked about before or earlier. So with that being said, again, this is a pretty small meal, still weighs in at 1 pound, so I'm still gonna be full from it. It's a whole bowl. So it should be good. 296 calories, we're gonna finish out the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And comment down below what your diet schedule is. What do you eat at certain times of the day? Do you eat 4 meals, 5 meals, 3 meals? Let me know. Take care, guys.